Exam has successfully supplanted the AIPMT, All India Pre-Medical Test, as the primary medical school admissions test. Furthermore, the Supreme Court has ruled that NEET scores are the sole criteria for admission to universities across the country that offer graduate and postgraduate level medical programs. Additionally, NEET has taken the place of entrance exams conducted by JIMPER and AIIMS, becoming the singular examination required for candidates seeking admission to undergraduate medical programs in the nation. To prepare effectively for the test, candidates should acquaint themselves with the NEET Exam Pattern 2024 and NEET Syllabus 2024. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, or NEET, is an offline examination with a duration of 3 hours and 20 minutes. Out of a total of 200 questions comprising botany and zoology, candidates must answer 180 multiple-choice questions (MCQs) from physics, chemistry, and biology. NEET Exam Pattern 2024 Overview Exam Name National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET Conducting Body National Testing Agency Mode of the Examination Offline Duration of the Exam 3 hours and 20 minutes Total questions 200 out of which 180 questions will have to be answered Total marks 720 marks Question Type MCQs Marking Scheme +4 marks for each correct answer. -1 for each incorrect answer. NEET Languages 13 English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Oriya, Malayalam, Kannada, Punjabi and Urdu Official website neet.nta.nic.in. NEET Exam Pattern 2024. The National Medical Commission (NMC) set forth the NEET UG Syllabus 2024. This course outline will serve as the foundation for the NEET 2024 question paper. Every subject in NEET 2024 will have a choice in Section B, per the NTA's decision. As a result, the NEET Exam Pattern 2024 is divided into 2 parts. Each subject contains 2 sections. 35 questions in Section A. 15 questions in Section B. Candidates could attempt any 10 of the 15 questions that were included in Section B. As a result, there are still the same amount of questions overall. An additional 20 minutes were added this time, bringing the total time for NEET UG 2024 to 200 minutes. Only the first 10 tested questions from Section B will be evaluated if a candidate attempts more than 10 questions. NEET Exam Pattern 2024. Senior. No subject S section S number of question S marks. Each question carries 4 marks. Type of questions 1. PHYSICSSECTIONA 35140 MCQ multiple choice questions. Section B 15402. CHEMISTRYSECTIONA 35140 Section B 15403. BOTANYSECTIONA 35140 Section B 15404. ZOOLOGYSECTIONA 35140 Section B 1540, total marks 720. NEET Exam Pattern 2024 Scoring System. The NEET 2024 examination is structured as follows. A total of 200 multiple-choice objective-type questions will be provided, and candidates are required to respond to 180 MCQs. The NEET 2024 exam is scored out of a total of 720 marks. Each subject is further divided into 2 sections, Section A and Section B. Section A comprises 35 questions, while Section B contains 15 questions. Within Section B, candidates are expected to answer 10 questions. The question papers will be based on the syllabus of physics, chemistry, and biology from classes 11 and 12. For each correct response, candidates will be awarded 4 marks, but there will be a deduction of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. It is crucial to bear in mind that once responses are marked on the NEET OMR sheet, alterations cannot be made. NEET Exam Pattern 2024, Marking Scheme. SL. No subject no. Of questions total marks 1 Physics Section A, 35 plus Section B, 10-15 provided, 10 to be answered equals 451802 Chemistry Section A, 35 plus Section B, 10-15 provided, 10 to be answered equals 451804 Zoology Section A, 35 plus Section B, 10-15 provided, 10 to be answered equals 451803 Botany Section A, 35 plus Section B, 10-15 provided, 10 to be answered equals 45,180 total 180,720. NEET Exam Pattern 2024 Marking System. The NEET Marking Scheme 2024 is as below. Each question has 4 marks. For each question, the right response earns 4 marks. For each wrong response, 1 mark is deducted. If more than one option is determined to be accurate after a key is challenged, all of the highlighted multiple correct possibilities will receive 4 marks. If a question is not attempted or answered, no marks are given. 4 marks will be given to everyone who attempted the question if all of the options are determined to be accurate. NEET Marking Scheme Response Type Marks awarded: correct answer plus 4, incorrect answer -1, question with more than one response -1, unanswered question 0, extra attempted question 0. NEET 2024 Exam Pattern and Total Marks. The NEET 2024 examination aims for a maximum score of 720 marks, distributed across 180 questions, each carrying 4 marks. The recent alteration to the NEET format introduces Sections A and B. Section A. This section contains 35 questions each for physics, chemistry, zoology, and botany. It's worth noting that Section A leaves no room for choice. Candidates must respond to all the questions. Both Sections A and B feature negative marking. This section holds a potential score of 140 marks, 35 multiplied by 4. Section B. Out of the 15 questions presented, candidates can attempt any 10 of their choice. If a candidate attempts more than 10 questions, only the first 10 attempted will be considered. The maximum score achievable in this section is 40 marks, 10 multiplied by 4. Consequently, each section, namely physics, chemistry, biology, and zoology, can be passed with a cumulative score of 140 plus 40, totaling 180 marks. The 180 marks for the physics, chemistry, and biology sections are merged with the 360 marks allotted for biology. NEET 2024 Exam Pattern Language Options. When registering for the NEET 2024 exam, it's crucial for aspirants to be informed about the language options available. The NEET 2024 exam is conducted in 13 different languages at various exam centers, although language medium choices may vary by center. Here are key points to consider regarding language choice in the NEET exam. Candidates can select their preferred question paper medium from the following languages: English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi, Odia, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, or Punjabi. Language medium selection is made during the form filling process and cannot be altered later. Candidates who choose English will receive the English test booklet only. Those opting for Hindi will receive a bilingual test booklet in Hindi and English. Candidates selecting vernacular languages will be provided with a bilingual test booklet in the chosen language and English. In case of any discrepancies in question translations, the English version will be considered final. NEET Exam Pattern and Instructions for OMR Sheet. NEET aspirants should be well versed in the guidelines for accurately completing the NEET 2024 OMR sheet during the exam. Here are essential instructions for filling out the NEET OMR sheet correctly. According to NTA guidelines, use a ballpoint pen to mark all your answers in the NEET exam. The exam hall will provide the ballpoint pen. Ensure that you mark the test booklet code on the NEET OMR sheet 2024. Following the NEET exam pattern, remember that once you mark answers on the OMR sheet, they cannot be erased.